Have you ever noticed that depression doesn't care who you are? It doesn't care if you're broke or wealthy, lonely or surrounded by people, successful or still trying to figure it out. Some of the most accomplished people in the world, the ones we look up to, have admitted that they've felt completely empty inside. So why does it happen? Why do we, even with good things in our lives, still feel crushed under that invisible weight? Depression feeds on comparison. The second you start measuring your journey against someone else's timeline, the second you say, "They're ahead and I'm behind," you open the door for it to creep in. You could be doing amazing things, but if you're always stacking your life against someone else's, it will never feel like enough. And here's the truth. None of us are immune. Even people with millions in the bank, with families, with fame, they feel it too. Because depression doesn't just come from lack. Sometimes it comes from that inner voice that whispers, "You're not enough." But here's where the fight begins. You can't heal depression by endlessly waiting for life on the outside to fix it. You fight it by working on the inside, by changing the way you see yourself, the way you talk to yourself, by stopping the game of victimhood, because the longer you tell yourself you're powerless, the more power depression has over you. Instead of asking, "Why me?" start asking, "What can I do now?" And don't underestimate small steps. Waking up and making your bed, going for a walk, reading one page of a book. Tiny actions stack up, and they remind your brain that you're not broken, you're building. And please hear this, your journey is yours. It's not supposed to look like theirs. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You don't see their battles, their scars, their sleepless nights. You only see the highlight reel. And your story matters just as much, even if it doesn't look the same. We all suffer. We all carry pain. Depression is not proof that you're weak. It's proof that you're human. And being human means you have the power to rise, to grow, to rebuild from the inside out. So when that heavy feeling shows up, when your chest feels like it's carrying 1,000 pounds, don't run, don't hide, don't drown in the comparison. Face it and tell yourself, "I am still here, and I'm not done yet." If this message hit you, if it gave you even a little spark of strength, then stick around. Because here we're building a place where nobody fights their battles alone. Drop a comment, share your story, and hit subscribe. Not because I told you to, but because maybe this is the reminder someone else out there desperately needs. You're not broken, you're becoming, and the fight is worth it.